Good afternoon, students. I just wanted to give you just some support for uploading information into Canvas. So we're looking at week number 1, and as you can see, week number 1 has your discussion question. Why are you taking English 101 online? And it's just a quick paragraph that I want you to submit. So when we click on that, the directions are right here, and it tells you what I want you to do. I just want a very short 5 to 6 sentence paragraph, and then you're going to submit it right here where it says reply. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. I don't think anyone is going to have trouble with that. And then the next one is right here, the diagnostic essay. So let's click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to ask you to write an essay about your 3 favorite things to do. Okay, so I'm looking for you to discuss your hobbies. Okay, so in doing so, I say think about the 3 things you really like to do, and then from there I ask you to create a formal outline, because if you create an outline before you start writing, it kind of keeps you from rambling. Okay, so once you create that outline, I want you to make sure that your intro paragraph has a clear hook. In other words, you're going to give me a sentence that talks about the fact that you have hobbies. And then I want you to give me 4 to 5 sentences after that hook that talks about the different things that you enjoy doing. And that last sentence is going to be the major focus of why you are writing. We call that our thesis statement. Each of your body paragraphs, I want 3, needs to have a topic sentence. That topic sentence is going to tell me the focus of each of those paragraphs. And so I have examples right here. This part I'm not really worried about, because after you have your topic sentence, you want to talk about your topic sentence. You want to provide examples of that topic sentence. And when you're done with that, usually a paragraph is about 7 to 8 sentences long. Okay, then we want to move to the next body paragraph, and then you're going to talk about your second hobby, and so on and so forth. Okay, the last hobby, we're going to use the transition finally. Okay, and you'll follow the same process. That topic sentence, explain your topic sentence, examples, explanations about your hobby. The last paragraph that you have is a very short paragraph. It starts with a restatement of your thesis statement, another statement about why hobbies are fun, and then a witty comment about your hobbies. Okay? Once you've done that, hopefully you have composed this essay in Microsoft Word. Okay? Once you have that, give it a name, and then I want you to upload that file to turnitin.com, and there's a box here that will tell you how to upload that file, and that's what I want you to do. So please don't use Google Docs, please don't use any other platform. I only want you to use Microsoft Word. Everyone has access to Microsoft Word in their Outlook account. If you need help accessing your Microsoft account, send me an email and I'll give you directions on how to find it. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.